Why would a van need a special design? Usually, the owners of the V-Class are people who place comfort and personal space as a priority. Quite often, they are acquired by top-level businessmen and celebrities. That is why we have created a special design that matches the status of its owner. Understanding the purpose of this vehicle made us develop a premium design project. And today we will show you how easily you can transform your V-Class. The style should be reflected even in the smallest details, isn't it? Thanks to the black crystal kit, the V-Class has gained a modern outlook that matches to rapid changes in the automotive design. It combines the sophistication and intelligence, which are fans of brand familiar with. Let's pay attention to the front bumper updated by a new grille with an elegant insert. These parts are made of premium carbon, and you also may choose a pattern and weaving at your taste. Our designers have also provided an option which all the elements can be painted in the main color, and also with detailing in black matte or glossy color. This model first use of dual-lens fog lights that enhance safety in a challenging weather condition. Safety is also enhanced more by the LED daytime running lights mounted in the front bumper. Keeping in mind the intended use of the wagon's side sills are connected to the steps that facilitate entry, helping to keep the interior clean. The name of the kit comes from a real Swarovski black crystals that are mounted on each side of the front bumper, and the shape of those crystals is reflected to Mercedes logo shape. Larty new rear bumper looks harmonious and complete. Each line has a meaning, and it's interfaced with the basic elements of the original design of the car. At the rear bumper, a center-mounted original Mercedes LED rear fog light. The original two-sectional AMG tailpipe tips emphasize the overall design and successfully complete the image of the minivan. We give you an opportunity to build a car at your exquisite taste, using the wide possibilities of the designer's project. And a few words about the light version of the black crystal kit. For the regular front bumper on the restyled version, we present 3 lining options that also go well with the Larty radiator, grille and splitter. The front AMG bumper can also be complemented by Larty's grille, splitter and fender flares. Now really, why this designed project was created for? Exclusively for the reason that you would love your car even more, and you could experience the joyful and vivid emotions of daily driving. Mercedes V-Class with black crystal kit is a kind of private jet just for the highway, where you can travel stylishly and comfortably for a business purpose or on a pleasant trip with your family. Our team is always ready to assist you with any questions about the kit. We will do our best to make your expectations come true. Like any other Larty design kit, black crystal could be delivered to worldwide and installed by our professional technicians. The kit has 36-month warranty on all components. Thank you and see you at Larty Design.